Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into crypto trading, you know how important it is to move your assets smoothly between exchanges. Today, we're covering how to withdraw USDT from Kraken to Binance in 2025. This step-by-step guide will help you do it quickly and securely, especially with the latest updates in the crypto world. Let's jump right in. First, log into your Kraken account. Make sure you're using a secure device and have two-factor authentication, 2FA, enabled. It's a must for protecting your funds. Once logged in, navigate to the Wallets or Funding section. Here, find USDT and select it as the asset you want to withdraw. Next, click on the Withdraw option for USDT. You'll need to choose the correct network. Options like Tron, TRC20, or Ethereum, ERC20, are common, so double-check what Binance supports to avoid any issues. Now, head over to your Binance account, go to your wallet, and copy the USDT deposit address. Paste this address into the withdrawal form on Kraken. Be extra careful here. Crypto addresses are case-sensitive, and one wrong character could mean lost funds. Enter the amount of USDT you want to withdraw, keeping an eye on any fees. Kraken might charge a small withdrawal fee, plus there could be network fees, so factor that in. Review all the details, then confirm the transaction. If 2FA is set up, you'll get a code to verify, always a good security step. After confirmation, the transaction will process. This can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, hop back to Binance and check your wallet. You should see the USDT arrive shortly. A quick tip: always verify network compatibility between exchanges to prevent errors. And remember, crypto is volatile, so only withdraw what you need. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.